You were created for a purpose. You are not an accident of time or chance. You are a deliberate thought of God, formed with intention, shaped with care, and released into the world with purpose. Before your name was spoken by human lips, it was already known in the heart of the Creator. Before your first breath, God had already breathed meaning into your existence. He did not rush your creation. He took his time. He stitched strength into your spirit, placed resilience in your bones, and hid light within you, so that even in dark seasons, you would never be completely lost. When you doubt your worth, remember this: the same God who painted the skies at sunset, who set the stars in perfect order, who taught the oceans where to stop and the mountains where to rise, that same God intentionally created you. Every part of you carries meaning. Your voice matters. Your tears are seen. Your dreams are not random thoughts. They are whispers of purpose. Even your struggles are not wasted. The broken places, the waiting seasons, the moments when you felt unseen, they're all part of a process. Proof that God is still working, still shaping, still refining. You were created to grow through seasons, to love deeply, to rise after falling, to transform pain into wisdom and fear into faith. When life feels heavy and silence surrounds you, remember, you carry divine breath within you. The Creator who spoke light into darkness still speaks strength into your soul. So walk boldly, stand gently, live intentionally. Creation carries the signature of its Creator, and God's work, especially you, is never without purpose.